What is up to my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree here, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of this Bree gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. And make sure you like, and make sure you let me know how your day has been, you guys. My day has been alright. Okay, so go ahead and get on those comments, say hey, don't be scared. If you're a new sub here, make sure to say hi. And all my brilliants, welcome back for another video. So I know that you can see from the title that I'm doing another mukbang today. I have been slacking on my mukbangs, y'all. Everybody's been like, where the freak are the mukbangs? So I had to bring one back. Of course, I gotta eat anyway. So I was like, you know what? I had a taste with some Jersey Mike's, and I was like, as much as these sandwiches cost, I better do a mukbang for y'all. I don't really have anything in particular to talk about, so I'm probably just gonna rant a little bit, just random little stuff. But I wanted to get on camera and do this mukbang for y'all, so I got me some Jersey Mike's. Okay, so if you want to see this video, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so like I said, you guys, I went and got me some Jersey Mike's today. So I think this is the number 42. It's the Chipotle like cheesesteak. So it's like a Philly cheesesteak but with chicken, and it has peppers and onions and all that. And instead of the cheese they put on it, I get pepper jack, and I got me some Ruffles, y'all. And they put the Chipotle mayo on it, but I got it on the side, and I'm not gonna use it. I did get the real big one, but I got the other half for later. So this is what I'm working with. This is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Mark my words. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. I do have me some water, Ozarka, of course. And today is actually Friday for me, y'all. Y'all might not see this video till Monday or sometime next week. But it's Friday, so I got me a drink, y'all. I got me some pineapple 1800. Okay, I needed this drink after the week I done had. So let's go ahead and jump in. Yes. Amen. Y'all, I hear one of these something in a while. It's so good. I didn't have Jersey Mike's until last year, and I don't know where the heck I had been. I got this rosemary bread. Let me show y'all. Look, y'all. This rosemary bread. I waited 30 minutes for this bread. Now I think about it, I might should have got regular Lay's, but too late. Sorry, y'all. I know leaves a star and I'm out. Y'all. That is so good. And if y'all don't follow me on social media, Sparkle had been kind of under the weather, so she had to take medicine. Sparkle's my puppy, if you're new. She had to take medicine, so she was eating wet food with her hard food to make her eat the medicine. That's the only way she would eat it. So now, if the medicine is gone and she done taking it, she be looking at her food like, what is this? She get hungry. She eat some, but she won't eat it all. She be looking like, please put some wet food on her. I'm not doing it. So right now she's looking at me eat like, let me have some. She's upset. Y'all, it's been such a long week. And at my job, we're moving from the 11th floor to the 9th floor. We have a lot of people, so they built us out a floor. When I get to work Monday, I'll be in a new environment. It's real fancy, y'all. I went inside today. I got invited to go out tonight, but I don't know if I am. I haven't been feeling like clubbing. I've been in the mood of getting a bottle of wine and binge watching a show. Watching on YouTube, Hulu, cuddling with Sparkle. I don't know. I don't think about going, but I don't think I am. Don't think I am. And then in them streets, y'all, people steady dying and stuff. I don't have time for it. I've been doing a real good job with my consistency. I'll upload it Monday through Friday for 3 weeks. That's good. I'm proud of myself. But I am going to get back into my mukbang. I'm trying to explore other things, but I like to eat. And I like to watch me eat, so hey. I'm just trying to give y'all variety. My dog's the only one that don't understand that she's supposed to play with her toys and not eat them. She be real like chewing them. I'm talking about you. It was like one of the best sandwiches I've ever had in my life. Probably is the best one. So I used to know somebody who worked there Thursday night. I used to go get from work. I was giving her rides from work. She'll make me one. I'd be so happy. They cookies good. Yeah, I'm telling you, if you ain't had Jersey Mike's, you sleep. Yeah. Trying to get there fast, y'all. Excuse me. Beef cheddar, styrofoam, ruffles, the bomb. They're probably my favorite chips now too. Y'all let me know what shows down below that y'all watching. Right now, I was binge watching Little Women of Atlanta. What else? 60 Days In, which is supposed to be real old. I guess I'm just late. And there's one more. What else I'm watching? Oh, Claws. I started off strong watching that when it first came out. And I just fell off. So I'm binge watching that. I'm on season 2 now. Probably like on the 3rd or 4th episode. Excuse me. So unladylike. Just walk and watch me like a hot y'all. Ooh, y'all. Go get y'all one of these sandwiches. Y'all, chips gone. Sandwich gone. Don't y'all get down in the comments and murder me or whatever over this little piece. See, I'm eating it. I'm eating it. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna conclude this mukbang, honey. Now I'm full. Now I'm really ready to relax. I'm finna cut on claws, fill my little cup back up. You understand me? Y'all, ooh, that sun just started beaming. Y'all see that change in light? Anyway, so that's gonna conclude my video for today, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. It's gonna conclude my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. Make sure you get down those comments and let me know how much you missed these mukbangs, because I know y'all did, okay? And make sure to share this video. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to my brilliant gang. And until next time, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.